While it's not surprising that Google's first ever foldable device has been pretty much fully revealed by a number of equally reliable tipsters and leakers less than 3 weeks before its expected official announcement, it's definitely a little crazy to think about how much we already seem to know about Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. These highly anticipated sequels to the most popular and, let's be honest, best foldable phones in the world right now are unlikely to arrive before late July, but believe it or not, the same insider who recently revealed the two screen sizes with 100% confidence is now back to spill the beans on one of the next-gen device's full measurements. The product looks to have undergone considerable alterations, yet Ice Universe, a normally credible source, has said that the majority of the changes are hardly discernible. As a result, this may be regarded the least changed version of the Samsung Folds thus far. Assuming these estimations are correct, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be just 0.2 mm shorter, narrower, and thinner than its predecessor when unfurled, with dimensions of 154.9 by 129.9 by 6.1 mm. The folded width of 67.1 mm is projected to stay constant. Furthermore, the Z Fold 5 is expected to weigh 254 grams, which is 9 grams less than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. That latter statistic is made much more astonishing by the Pixel Fold's projected 283-gram weight, particularly given the small battery capacity suggested for Google's first foldable attempt only yesterday. In comparison to the Pixel Fold, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to be taller and slimmer when folded. It may alternatively be somewhat thicker, with a total depth of 13.4 millimeters. However, the most notable design difference between the Z Fold 4 and the Z Fold may 5th be the introduction of the gapless hinge, which has been much debated in recent months. Samsung is expected to fix this problem with the Z Fold 5 by including a gapless hinge, which would not only lower the device's thickness but also allow for a single consistent measurement, rather than a range of 14.2 to 15.8 millimeters. This would increase the device's overall visual appeal. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.